Welcome to my channel. DIY mechanic.
Alright, here we got a 2004 Cadillac CTS. We have a code P0008, which is talking about the timing change. So before we start ripping that apart and putting a new timing change and then finding out that it's not your timing change the problem, that would be a waste of money and time. So what I got here, I'm going to start with a 2 camshaft sensor. That's the part number right there. So I'm going to replace, I got all 4, but I'm just going to start first with these 2 right here on the front passenger. That would be bank 1, because that's what the code said, bank 1. So to get to those sensor, you got to remove this computer right here, which is whole by 112 and 2/10. So 112 here, actually 212 on the bottom, and then 110 on the side. There's gonna be one on the side, and then of course you got like 3 grounds that you got to move. Actually 2 grounds, and then you can get to it. To get to that bowl, you stick your hand on the bottom, you get your ratchet from the top or your little key, and you do it. So let me go ahead and replace those 2 sensors and then see what happened, and I'll let you know. Make sure you put a little bit of oil. Just stick your finger in there and then rub it around the seal so it can go in smooth like that. Just like that. Got both. See how this one, they're really dirty. Got like a lot of metal. Alright, so the other 2, if you want to replace all 4, the other 2 are right here. There's one there, one right there. So like I said, I'm gonna just start with this 2. If the problem goes away, then I'll replace all 4. Alright, so now we gotta go drive it. Let me just read it. So no code for now. I'm gonna go drive it and see what happened. Car is driving good, so we're gonna drive it for a couple of days and make sure that the check engine light doesn't come back. So I'm gonna go drive it a little bit and see what happens. like I say, I'm gonna let the customer drive this for a couple days and then let me know if the light come back. Then I guess you will not be you wouldn't be seeing this video. If you're watching this video, it's because the car was fixed. That was the fix for it. So I'm gonna park now. I'm gonna park and read the code again. So I'm still driving. Okay, so stop right here. So what I'll do, I'm gonna shut it off and then turn it back on to make sure we cycle the key. Okay, and now wait for all the light goes away. Okay, so now I'm gonna read the code again. Reading, no code. Alright, so no code. So let's hope that's the fix. So like I say, if you're watching this video, it's because the car was fixed. If it wasn't fixed, I wouldn't post this video because it'd be a waste of time and, you know, not telling the right stuff to people. So in this case, I'm hoping that's the fix, and let's hope in your case that's also the fix.